Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of eBay app. You will click on settings as you see and you will enter. In this page of settings you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. When above here you will search about eBay and you will click in this window. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.